Take command of the road in the 2007 Acura RL. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 250 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. All of the premium features expected of an Acura are offered, including adjustable headrests in all seating positions, power front seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, and leather upholstery. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Acura ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. When road conditions become unpredictable, rely on all-wheel drive to maintain outstanding control. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Call now to schedule a test drive.